Hello my friends, we're on our way to another job. We're going back to where I live actually, literally it's a road off of my road for some guys that we know up there, and they just had an extension built, and they've got a side gate and they want a coded lock fitted to that. So yeah, so that's what we're going to go and do. Okay, so here we are doing this gate lock. What we're going to use is one of these coded locks. They come with a code preset, but we're going to change that for the customer so that they know, or something that they can remember. And that will go somewhere, this sits somewhere like that on this, and then yeah, we're good. Right, so this is our template that comes with the actual lock. So I've just marked all the holes and left these little marks on there, and then we've just got to mark the actual where the latch goes, and then we'll get all this drilled out. Okay, so that's our hole for the latch drilled, and our holes for the actual lock mechanism. So now we get the latch fitted, and then we'll start fitting. Right, there you go, that's the latch. The latch cut in, you can see through there, the other side. There you go, so time to get the actual lock on now. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to change the code that it comes with so it's something more memorable for the customer. So the way you do that is by taking these off and then changing out the ones that are red, you change them to blues, then they won't work, and the ones, the code that you want, you change them to little red pins in there. They look like these inside. There's the little red top. So you just pull them out, it gives you these little pincers. And then you just grab them, put it out, and then change it to the code that you want. And then replace the actual, the top to it like that. Easy. Okay, so there's the code lock. Actually, that's the inside. It's all working lovely. So you always want to test that before you actually shut the door. But, I mean, I haven't fitted the keep yet anyway, so that's the next thing. Fit the keep over on the frame here, and then that's this job done. There's the keep cut in there. So let's try it. Move this out of the way. Move my finger out of the way. Right, that's this job all done. I'll just try it from the front, but I won't show you the guys the code obviously. Lovely. Right, so it's done. A little bit of a tidy up, and then I am about 1 minute from my home, which is lovely. Thanks again guys, and again, as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.